So if you think you're spending too much time on social media and you can't get a good habit like reading or something like that, I think you should move on to gaming because Nvidia has new graphics card for you, and these graphics cards are amazing.
Let's go.
We already covered them last episode.
Segue 101.
But now benchmarks are out.
Yeah, we're waiting for the benchmarks to get
talk
released.
about that.
Also, by reading books and stuff, it's not implying that playing games is a bad habit. Okay, don't say this. Okay?
Oh, did I say that? No. It's... Sorry, I told
All
you,
habits,
man. Sorry, so
all
sorry.
habits which do not affect other individuals physically or mentally are good habits. Okay.
Depends. Don't swear in Call of Duty.
Yeah.
That is affecting someone.
Yeah. If you know it's affecting someone, don't do it. But the point is, RTX cards very powerful, very cheap. The pre-order stuff got massively messed up. We'll get into
What happened? Actually, I don't know the entire story.
I'll tell you what
I don't know
happened.
the entire story.
So there's this concept of scalpers and scrapers on the internet, right? So what these scalpers do is they do not want to use the product; they just want to make profit off of the demand which exists for a product. So these are not actual gamers; they're not actual consumers. They're just lazy businessmen and cheaters in a way. And what they do is they use bots, they use internet scripts to buy a product which is in very high demand, and then they resell that product. So what happened was,
wait, so the buy button is not protected by a captcha or something like that?
No, they're very advanced. I mean, they override all of that, and apparently the
what? I don't think a script can go over a captcha.
I don't know how they do it. I really don't know how they do it. मैं उतना detail में नहीं गया. I didn't go into the software side of it, but I just know that the RTX cards got sold out in like a minute, in like a second or something. Yeah.
Oh, that's why they're popping up and stuff for $70,000 and yeah.
Exactly. That's what you call a scalper, and these scalpers do not even have the cards. They have the confirmed order of the cards, and they are and they're reselling them for thousands of dollars.
Acha, okay. I heard about this. I just didn't know it's the same story.
Yeah.
And so it's going more into it, what's I think actually happening is the price inflation is low, right? Because the consumers who actually wanted the card, they are using bots to put fake bids on the eBay site and then withdrawing all the bids. So the person who has the card has to pay eBay the fees, and their product won't still be sold because the bids were withdrawn anyway. So
I didn't understand.
So when you put up a bid, you have to pay eBay some fees, right?
Oh, really? I didn't know.
It's not free.
I didn't know that. All right, cool.
So I heard this happening. Yeah, it's not 100% confirmed, but what these guys are doing is they're putting bids, they're withdrawing it. So these guys still have to pay the fees, but no one's actually buying the card because the bids are withdrawn SAP. So they're just wasting their money and just inflating the price of the card. And they plan on doing this until Nvidia has more in stock, and then Nvidia has promised कि अभी नहीं करने देंगे हम ऐसा कुछ, so they're just putting measures up for it.
Yes.
So when the new cards come out, the next stock comes in, these guys will have to sell them at normal price anyway, or even less.
Yes.
ये second hand है technically.
Right. Exactly.
So that is how they are fighting it. I love the internet, man. There's problem, there's solution.
The solution, yeah. But the solution usually takes a little longer than the problem.
But come on, कितना time लगेगा next stock आने का? A couple of them. Hopefully
not a lot of time. But considering that the 3090 is coming probably this weekend, it's a good sign. I hope that doesn't happen. They have said, Nvidia ne bola ki we will try not to let this happen with the 3090 because the 3090 is like $1,000, and that's very, very powerful, and it will be even more demand, I feel. But yeah,
I think so. I think the 3070 is gonna be the 1060 or 1060 जो रहा है ना, 1060 is the most 1060 is the most used card according to Steam.
It is the most popular Nvidia card so far.
So it's gonna be the new 1060, I guess.
I agree. I 100% agree. It's because it's affordable and it has such a huge performance bump.
The price to performance ratio is really good.
That is absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, that's what happened. The 3080 is apparently
Even PS5 के pre-orders के साथ कुछ हुआ, right? They announced it. No, they announced बाद में or something like that. The pre-orders started and जब तक उनका tweet आया कि the pre-orders started, the pre-orders have ended because सब sold out हो गया था.
what the heck?
Something like that
I
happened.
didn't know
हाँ.
this. I didn't know this. Holy shit.
And then Microsoft took advantage of it पूरा. They just released the entire कहाँ pre-orders होने वाले exact time के साथ and exact stores के साथ. And everyone's like, this is how you do pre-orders, Sony. So
Holy shit.
I think
Nice.
Microsoft's
Smart.
gonna win this time का console race. I'm not sure, but their console is more sleeker. Like
It's very low key.
Someone, it's low
very
key.
low
You can
key.
put stuff, and it's so small. Like the
Hmm.
PS5 is huge compared to it. So
It
and plus
is.
it's alien looking.
The PS5, right? Oh my god. Yeah, holy shit.
But yeah, let's see what happens. अभी
Yeah.
तो कोई भी decision लेना is dumb here.
True.
But yeah,
True.
that's gonna be fun. Console wars are back, guys. I can't wait to watch 30-minute videos कि क्यों PS4 or Xbox or
Oh
console better.
man, yeah. I will probably watch those too.
And these videos go over every point, right? Controller से लेके दिखने से लेके CD से लेके
They're
download से लेके games
they're
से
so comprehensive.
हाँ, exactly, because the people who make them are so passionate about the
So passionate
consoles
about
they
it.
use.
Exactly.
But they are the ones who use both the consoles anyway. They don't care which
True.
one.
True. They just want to play the games. That's all. It doesn't matter
हाँ.
what console it is.
Also, तूने वो देखा क्या? I don't know if it's just a meme or सारे games के साथ वो हो रहा है, but games are releasing as PS5 and Xbox exclusive, and there is a star mark and नीचे also available on
PC.
PC. And as a PC gamer, I'm like, oh my god, we finally won.
Perfect. It was so good. Holy shit. Because yes, Sony is probably going to be doing that. They'll be exclusive. They'll be releasing their PlayStation exclusives for PC because finally PC gamers have always been very extravagant spenders, and they are a very market. They are a very lucrative market, I believe. They are an untapped market
because
for PlayStation releases.
The
I don't
investment is
like-
already done right in a gaming PC, so it would be dumb not to
Exactly.
buy games.
exactly.
You know,
Also,
PlayStation, the investment is less. PlayStation or Xbox anyway.
exactly. Also, there are so many people like me. My system isn't the most powerful. I just play it for the experience and the fun, and it helps me cool off a little bit. What the thing with PlayStations is that you have to renew it. There's no backward compatibility and stuff like that.
Exactly.
And-
But abhi Sony is saying 99% backward compatible. With all
But
games.
so far that wasn't the case, right? So far, I mean,
It's just this new console ka thing.
exactly.
And that
the
is how they
console-
made money, right? Because if you wanted to play GTA and PSA and PS4, you just have to buy separately. But अब
Exactly.
नहीं करना पड़ेगा, I think.
Hopefully नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So exactly. So PC gamers, they don't need to have the most updated system. Also, a person who brought a PC 3 years ago and is still a customer for your latest release. That's essentially
And PC में you can have incremental upgrades, right? Console में
exactly.
just an investment एक साथ.
Exactly. Like I don't understand how Sony did not see this potential for PC gamers since day one. Like kind of dumb, to be honest. But okay.
I mean,
The-
उनका दूसरा interest ज़्यादा is making more money now. It's like making less.
Exactly.
money.
I mean, there's people up in the board of directors who are way smarter and way more knowledgeable than me. So
And they
just
have the
like, yo,
data, I guess.
they have the data. Oh man, yeah, data is power. No, information is power essentially in this day and age.
Data is a new currency.
Yeah, absolutely. Oil chhod do yaar. Oil gold. Sorry, it's Amazon,
But at
Facebook.
least
now.
data is not polluting the world. That on the brighter side.
Is it? Is it not?
It's polluting the people.
Absolutely.
polluting
Yeah,
the world.
that's a good one. That's a good one.
Nature is safe.